My name is BOLATITO OLATUNDE, the founder of ASAKE Shoes and Repairs. ASAKE Shoes and Repair is a shoe manufacturing and repair company with its brand name as Àsàké. We are into the production of male, female, formal and casual footwear. We started operation in 2021 as a business enterprise and in March 2024 became a limited liability company. Our drive is captured in our vision to make Àsàké Footwear a household name in Nigeria. Our mission, we are committed to deliver quality at affordable price, and our goal, reducing unemployment as our brand grows. Why we exist? To give you that confidence that you need to walk in beautiful and comfortable shoes. Poverty eradication through job creation. Removal of Nigerian dependence on shoe importation, thereby increasing Nigerian GDP. Based on recent statistics conducted by Importation Bureau, over 40 million pairs of shoes were imported into the Nigerian economy in 2023. Imagine the market size if these shoes were produced in Nigeria. We utilize online sales strategy for our business. Our opportunity, Àsàké Shoes and Repair will create 200 new jobs in 3 years. Our team is made up of 8 individuals. Brands will be used for purchase of soap press machine and also shoe expander. Our daily production will increase by 50%. In conclusion, Àsàké Shoes and Repairs is a viable business, relevant and profitable, innovative, and also solve major economic issues such as manpower development and overall wealth creation. Thank you.